Okay, everybody. So today we are going to be trying something new. I've been hearing about one particular shop that is giving people so much vibe when it comes to their food. So here in Odo Irele, we want to try out some food called Pupu. So join me as we take this journey. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
So what's your name? Nimota. Okay, that's the name of the shop.
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to be trying pupuru and egusi soup because I know my students they always say that if you try egusi soup and pupuru, the combination is wow. So we're going to be trying it. So how much do you sell your food?
200.
One pupuru 200. Are you guys hearing this?
500.
One pomo 500 naira. Okay, so pomo is 500 naira, pupuru is 200 naira. What of the soup? Okay, wait, are you hearing this? They are not actually selling soup, but they are selling the pupuru or gari, then the pomo, that's what they are selling. Okay, so I can't wait to test the pupuru and meat too, 500 naira. Yes, exactly. So I can't wait to test the pupuru. So give me two pupuru and which one do you think I should go with? Pomo. The one that is very big. Oh, very big and soft. So I want to have that one. Alright, everybody, join me as we eat together. Soup now. Pupuru. It's looking like gari, right? David. I say this. Damn, this is actually delicious. Pupuru. Hey, don't play. NYS sent me to Ode Irele. So I'm not told. That's what I'm testing. Everything is just so nice, honestly. I'm loving this food. So for those of you who are just joining the video, don't forget the pupuru is 200 naira. Pomo is 500 naira or meat 500 naira. So as much as you want to eat, you can eat more pupuru without buying soup. The pupuru comes with soup. The same thing with the pomo if you want to buy the pomo too. So that's how it's being done here. I think I'm going to make this shop. Yeah, I'm going to make this shop my favorite shop. Damn. So for those of you who want to try Yoruba food, trust me, you need to come to Ode Irele and check this pupuru and egusi soup with kanda. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you. I see my colleagues that they eat, so so our work is almost done. Here we are eating pupuru and egusi soup, and luckily, egusi America and paid for our food. Thank you, ma. Eshe go. Alright, guys. So I'm done eating. You see my plate now. I empty everything. I make sure say nothing. Yeah, see my guy. In the make sure say devour everything. So thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more. This is your popular Port Harcourt.